Welcome to Travel on Suzy. Today I have a treat for you all. I have Tina from The Outsider, and she's gonna give us a tour of her minivan. Come check out her setup. This is a no build out. Check it out. Thanks, Tina, for showing us around your home. What year, make, and model is this van?
This is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan.
And how long have you owned it?
I bought it in August or September of 19.
Okay. And how many miles did you have on it when you first bought
When
it?
I first got it, it was a used. It was 65,000 miles. And now it has 195,999 or something.
Almost at 200, so you're breaking it in already.
I am just breaking it in.
There you go. All right, so you want to show us around?
Sure. Okay, you want to sit inside? Doesn't matter to me.
Let me get in this cozy, nice, oh yeah, nice mattress.
Yeah, it's a twin size.
Ah, nice.
Okay, I've got my Alpicool refrigerator.
Awesome.
21 quarts.
Have you been really happy with that brand?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes, I have. I have my propane tank, which is about 13 pounds, and I filled it. I just got it. It's been like 3 years now. 3 years, and I haven't even filled it up yet.
Nice.
I mean, one time I filled it up, but I haven't filled it up anymore.
And you pretty much just use that for cooking?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cooking, and then sometimes, like when I was in Arizona, I would turn on my little one-burner stove.
Okay.
And I would warm up I would just warm up the minivan.
Now, what's the deal with all these stickers?
These are all different people that I've met
Okay.
and places I've been.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
I know a few of them.
Yeah, bet you do. My little table, what I do is I flatten it. This is my food pantry.
Okay.
And what I would do is flatten this out, put my table on top of it, then I put my stove on here, and I would cook.
Nice. Now, it kind of looks like a table for,
Yeah, it folds out.
but
so
I mean
you
for laptop?
yeah, you could use it for everything.
Nice.
See?
Multi-use.
Mhm.
Love it, love it.
And I even have an electric can opener.
Oh, check you out. Fancy.
Oh,
I
yeah.
just have a twist one.
I have my electric can opener
Awesome.
and my pee bucket.
Ha, so that's your bathroom.
Yep.
All right.
It's a 5-pound yogurt container. And this really comes in handy when you go to Arizona.
Oh, yeah.
Comes in handy when you go anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you're at someone's house that someone's taking an hour shower and you're like I'll be right back.
Go to my house.
Yeah. And I have the Bluetti 800-watt power station.
800, nice.
I have a 1 solar panel on it.
Okay, we'll look at that when we go outside.
Renogy.
Renogy, okay.
And in here, let me move out of your way.
I see you have storage behind your
Oh yeah.
for a cutting board. I tell you, them pockets always come in handy, don't they?
Oh yeah, I have my cleaning stuff.
All right.
So yeah, I have my silverwares in this little container. Dollar store.
Yep.
Just open it up. And you
I
got
love them dollar store stuff.
Oh yeah.
If it
And I've
breaks,
got-
it's only $1.
I've got all my dishes, pots and pans, collinator, your food strainer.
Yep.
Got everything in here. I got everything from my house, because when you need it, you gotta have it. And it's gonna fit right because I rearranged stuff.
That's okay. After the video, you'll have some downtime. I notice you have a step stool over here.
Because I'm short.
Do you climb on the roof and get stuff from the roof, or?
I clean my solar panel.
Ah, okay.
Yep, gotta clean your solar panel every once in a while.
I'm kind of lazy. I don't do it.
I mean, I have a regular mattress, and I still have the seats in. I still have all the seats in.
This is a stolen goal,
Yep,
right?
don't go. And my little garage consists of over here. I do have a lot of my stuff still at like a friend's house.
So you have somewhat of a home base
Yeah,
still? Okay.
I have a place to put my stuff.
Yeah.
And if the weather gets too hot or too cold and it's unbearable in the minivan, they let me I take out my twin-size mattress and I put it in their house.
Okay.
Need to be.
All right. And
But I would rather be in here.
Yeah.
Because,
I understand that. I love my van too.
Over here I just have, right now I'm going through a transition.
Storage.
Yeah.
All right.
Clothes, towels, extra stuff.
Now,
bags.
are these magnetic?
Yes, but I would not recommend them because
No?
they don't have enough magnets. Look there's no magnets on the bottom. There's
Oh.
one little magnet, and I wrote a review on these on Amazon because I got them on Amazon, and I said I would not recommend these because they do not stay. There's no magnets right here.
It doesn't even look like it really fits your window.
No.
That's terrible. And
Yeah.
it was supposed to be for your van?
Yeah. Especially,
Yeah.
crappy.
You said this is a 100.
At Renogy solar panel.
And is it just bolted on or is it on the luggage rack?
Tony made a frame for it. Type deal.
So 100 amps. And I see you had it through the window.
Yep.
And do you have any problems with it leaking?
No.
No rain follows it in?
Nope.
That's awesome.
I have it closed, and you could still.
And it's not shaving the wires or anything?
No, look.
That's awesome.
Try it here.
Yeah, I seen it coming through.
Yeah, that's fine. Hasn't
That's
given me any
awesome.
problems. It's loose enough.
That's nice.
I mean, it's, it's not squeezing it where it ain't getting enough.
Right. And then I see that you have these now this window will come down, I take it?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can get some air through there without rain coming in.
Yep. Tina's the outsider.